Assalamu alaikum, I'm your host Advocate Sethi, and today's topic is about the difference between attorney, barrister, lawyer, and solicitor. How about advocate, counsel, counselor, or counselor at law? Lawyer is a general term for a person who gives legal advice or aid and who conducts the suits in court. An attorney, or more correctly, an attorney at law, is a member of the legal profession who represents a client in court when pleading or defending a case. In the US, attorney applies to any lawyer, but in the UK, those who practice law are divided into barristers who represent clients in open court and may appear at the bar, and solicitors who are permitted to conduct litigation in court but not to plead cases in open court. The barrister does not deal directly with clients but does so through a solicitor. The word attorney comes from French, which means one appointed or constituted, and the word's original meaning is of a person acting for another as an agent or deputy. A solicitor would be the UK equivalent of the US attorney at law. Counsel usually refers to a body of legal advisors, but also pertains to a single legal advisor and is a synonym for advocate, barrister, counselor, and counselor at law.